Adhere to the corporate values of building the brand with integrity and creating the future with quality for mutual benefit and win-win cooperation. Zhenghe has always dedicated in the service principle of quality first, integrity management, and quality service. Zhenghe is an enterprise oriented by professional R&D and automation production. We have been committed to the R&D, production, and manufacturing of high-quality Pogo pin and magnetic wire series products for 20 years. In order to respond to customer needs in a rapid manner, we implement integrated production management from product R&D, turning, mold development to finish the product assembly. Our production staff is equipped with more than 15 years of experience in product research and development, production, and mold design, and has cumulatively designed and produced thousands of product solutions. In order to realize the concept of automated production, we have equipped with more than 60 precision CNC lathes and several citizen CNC automatic lathes, 12 vertical and horizontal injection molding machines, and 22 automated assembly lines for production. For a new product, sample tests can be completed within 7 to 10 days. The mass production cycle is generally 10 to 15 days, and the daily production capacity could reach to 1 kk pieces. This has met the high standard production needs of customers. Our products are mainly used in consumer electronics, smart home, 5G communications, medicine, automotive electronics, and other industries. With a strong R&D team, we have independently developed and assembled a number of automated production assembly lines. Our production plant is operated strictly in accordance with the requirements of the 5S standard for the implementation of automated production management. We have production input component assembly machine and automatic riveting machine for assembly. Equipped with automatic resistance and dynamic motoring machine, key insights for inspection, and CCD full-size visual inspection equipment and other advanced equipment for testing. The use of automated inspection and tapping machines and automated finished product assembly equipment for packing inspection has greatly improved the production capacity and quality of the products, thereby meeting the high-quality requirements of customers. We have passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Control System certification and successfully applied for a number of patent certificates. Our laboratory is equipped with ROHS substance analysis spectrometer, two-dimensional detector, Keynes measuring instrument, surface coating thickness tester, and high-temperature reflow soldering machine, impedance stress curve tester, temperature rise tester, life tester, sauce spray tester, and other test equipment to ensure product quality. Through years of development and accumulation, we have reached a long-term partnership with a large number of well-known brands. At present, our customers include Huawei, Foxconn, Flextronics, Fenda, TPV, Invid, and other companies. Zhenghe will always be your trusted partner.